Yeah, hi everyone. I am Sachin Sharma, and I am going to give you a presentation about this Godrej project so that you have a better understanding of the project. So हम एक एक करके सारे डिटेल्स चेक करेंगे इस प्रोजेक्ट का so that आपको एक आइडिया हो जाए and you can decide on your own from your home location that you want to visit the site, the project location or not. Okay. So let me start with the details. But before that, I just want to thank you all for showing interest in this project. And let me tell you, this is one of the best project. There is no other project of Godrej in this particular location. So if you are looking for the location and the luxury, then you have to go with this. So I'll share my screen with you. So I think you can see my screen now. Just a second. Yeah, I think you now you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So this is the location. This is the location. This is about Godrej. This is the project detail, and this is the price and payment plan. So we will go through these details one by one and understand about the project. So let me just tell you, the project name is Godrej Goods, and this is a new launch of Godrej. The possession of this project is in by December 2024, by the end of 2024, basically. So if you can wait by 2024 end, so you can go for this project. So let me start with the location first. The location for this project is in Noida, sector 43. जो लोग सेक्टर 43 नहीं जानते हैं उनके लिए मैं बता दूं, सेक्टर 43 आपका नोएडा 37 के बिल्कुल पास है. Noida 37 is one of the most known sectors in Noida. Yeah, you can see in this. This is close to Noida 37. Project is 10 minutes walking from Botanical Garden metro station, and you can move to D&D flyover within 5 minutes from the project location. So yeah, the places like Delhi, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, and Faridabad, these are all in well in reach. I can say that you will reach any of these locations within maximum half an hour from your home location. So this is the best part, and this is the advantage of this location. And the facilities like schools, hospitals, and malls are well in place. So the schools, hospitals, and shopping malls you can see here. So they are all like operational. So no need to worry. And let me share one by one. First of all, I'll share the location map with you so that you have a better understanding of the project. So you can see on my screen the location map. Yeah, you can see this red outline. This is the project location, and this is Botanical Garden metro station. This is Noida golf course, and there is a golf course in Noida, and some of our units will face the golf course, so you will get a golf course view also. So this is the beauty of the project. So आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं द प्रोजेक्ट इज इन बंगेल साइड. आप जब बोटेनिकल गार्डन से आप सीधा आएंगे, यहाँ अंडरपास, आपका अंडरपास क्रॉस करके सीधा आप ग्रेटर नोएडा बंगेल साइड में जाएंगे तो इसी लोकेशन, इसी साइड में आपका एक प्रोजेक्ट है. सो इट्स हार्डली 10 minutes walking from botanical garden. So let me share the other details with you. So as I told you, yeah, these are the schools which is close to the project location. Yeah, this is Ryan International School, the Millennium School, Khaitan School, Summerfield, Kidsi, Shalsa Convent School, RK Public School, Sector 45, Model National Public School. So these are all the schools with this, which is very close to this location. And this is Noida Golf Course, as I told you. So you have a golf course view also from the project location. So the parents who have their kids, so there is nothing to worry. We have all the schools in place. So now I'll share the other details with you. So this is the hospitals we have. We have Hospital Service Consultancy Corporation, Manas Hospital, Cloud9, Neo Hospital, Prayag Hospital Research Center, Apollo. So these are all the hospitals which are close to this location. And in case of any emergency, you can move out to these hospitals for the treatment. These are like 20-25 minutes drive from the project location. Now I'll share the. Now I'll share you the shopping malls we have. So yeah, these are all the shopping malls. Like everyone like हम जाते हैं अपने वीकेंड्स पे घूमने अपने फैमिली के साथ मूवीज देखने शॉपिंग करने. So these are the shopping malls we have: Future Mall, A Square, Shoppers Mall, Tulip Mall, Shopping Planet, GIP Great India Palace, which is one of the biggest malls of Noida. So ये सारे shopping malls, this is very close. And GIP is approximately like 10 minutes from the project location. So अब जब भी फैमिली के साथ बाहर जाना चाहें आउटिंग के लिए मूवीज के लिए, so like we have all the malls in place, right? So now I'll back to my screen. So this is all about the location and connectivity. मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है. मेट्रो इज इन मेट्रो आपका बहुत पास है. DND फ्लाईओवर आप विद इन 5 मिनट्स आ सकते हैं. Now about the brand Godrej. As you all know, Godrej is a household brand and it was established in 1897. Sometime or the other, many of us use this Godrej project. So let me directly come to the construction part of the Godrej. So Godrej delivered their first project in 2008 in Mumbai. We have very good reputation for project completion. All our projects are luxury projects and we have very good customer feedback. I must tell you, you can move to any of the Godrej project which is already delivered, and you can do a survey from the like residents who are living there, and I'm sure you will get a good customer feedback. And these are some awards and recognitions. Let me just show you this also. So yeah, so these are some awards and recognitions for Godrej. You can see on the screen. This is National Brand Leaders 2019-20, Intelligent Enterprise Award 2018, Developer of the Year 2016-17, Real Estate Company of the Year 2017, Best Developer of the Year 2017, Developer of the Year Residential 2017. So these are all the awards which Godrej received for their work. So you can trust the brand. There is no issues about that. So okay, so we are done with this part now. Okay, so now I come to the project details one by one. So we have a total land area of 11 acres, out of which 5 acres is total green area and forest. There are total number of 10 towers, out of which we are only launching 3 towers in the first phase, and the rest 7 are for future expansion. So currently we are launching only 1 tower for 3 BHK and 2 towers for 1 tower for 2 BHK and 2 towers for 3 BHK, and the rest are for future expansion. So all these towers are high-rise towers. The total height of the towers is 27 floors, G plus 27. So this is very good height, and there is no other high-rise like buildings near about these locations. So now I come to the room size. So there are two like I told you, there's 2 BHK and 3 BHK only. So 2 BHK plus 2 toilet size is 1255 square feet, and 3 BHK plus 3 toilet is 2088 square feet. And this is the super area of this project. This is super area basically. Now I come to amenities of the project. In the amenities, we have forest, natural forest. यहाँ पे मैं आपको थोड़ा सा क्लियर कर दूं कि we are not coming with the artificial thing. This is a very natural forest which we are growing like trees from the roots, and yeah, you get a natural feel. You don't need to go for any outings. You can have a feel at your home, and this is a USP and the theme of this project. We have 600 forest trees in 11 acres. I think this is a good number of trees, so you get kind of fresh and fresh air for breathing. So this is the beauty. And with this we have waterfall, camping, barbecue. You can do camping with the family in the forest. You can do barbecue with your friends and family. We have sky walkway. We have musical walkways, multiple swimming pools. Uh, like there are different swimming pools in this, and we have lavish clubhouse with G plus 2 structure, ground plus 2 basically. Yeah, then we have a multi-purpose hall. Multi-purpose hall is basically for a small gathering or a function that you can do with your family members or friends. So you need to book that hall, and you can like organize your small function for your family. And next we have 24-seat private mini theater. So 24-seater mini theater for watching movies. You don't need to go outside for that. If you don't want to go outside, then you can have the movie in that in that project location. Then we have business center. Business center, as you all know, that we are just coming out of the COVID phase, and most of the companies are providing work from home. So you can do your office work from that home location. We are giving you a dedicated business center from that you can operate and do all your meetings stuff from that business center. Next is branded spa and gymnasium. So we are having international like coming with the international brands in this. So, these are the all international standard facilities we are providing you in this project. And now we are talking about the sports. We have badminton court, tennis, basketball, squash. So all these facilities will be available during the first phase. Like I just clarify you, when we complete this first one tower for 2 BHK and 2 towers for 3 BHK, we have all the facilities ready. With this, we have all these facility ready in the first phase of the project. So yeah, now I come to the price and payment plan. So as I told you, the projection of the project in 2024, the price for the 2 BHK is 1.25 CR. This is the pre-launch price, and for 3 BHK is 2.05 CR. So I don't know, आप जब तक ये वीडियो देखें शायद हो सकता है प्राइस बढ़ जाए. So I will tell you, जैसे ही अगर आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन को देखते हैं तो आप you can take a quick decision so that आपको प्राइस का इसका फायदा मिले. Next we are coming with a CLP plan. CLP is basically construction linked payment plan of 10 into 10. Like you need to pay 10% in 10 installments during the 4 years. So आप approximately आपका 4 to 5 months का आपका gap आएगा installments में, 5 months at least. So the booking amount is 10%. You can book the project with 10%, and then next 10% you have to give in like next 60 days, and then rest you can give that as per the construction linked. Initially 10% you need to give, and then another 10% is in within 60 days, and then as per the construction, like around after 5 months approx. So these are all the details of the project which I have. So I hope you like these details, and if you want to know more about this, you can book your visit. And I just tell you that we have our sample product ready. and also a miniature for the natural forest is also ready. You can visit any time, and if you are interested, so once I complete this presentation, there एक साइन अप फॉर्म आपका ओपन होगा, तो आप उस फॉर्म को फिल कर सकते हैं, एंड मी और माय टीम विल कांटेक्ट यू एंड विल शेड्यूल अ विजिट, एंड जो भी आपको और भी अगर कोई डिटेल्स आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, सो विल टीम आवर टीम विल प्रोवाइड द डिटेल्स. ऑलराइट, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस प्रेजेंटेशन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. और अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो प्लीज़ इस फॉर्म को अभी फिल करें, and don't delay this because we have left with very few inventories and they will be sold out very soon. So I don't want that you will miss this chance. So please immediate आप इस पे एक्शन लें. So जैसे ही आप एक प्रेजेंटेशन खत्म करेंगे, एक साइन अप फॉर्म खुलेगा, आप प्लीज फॉर्म को फिल करें so that we can help you out. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and yeah, thank you so much for your time. So I'm just stopping this presentation, and I hope I will see you soon face to face. Thank you so much. Bye.